Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open QR Code Chimp and sign in, then link the asset you want, URL, PDF, vCard. Begin with a clear goal so you don't rework designs. Choose static for one-time use. Choose dynamic if you plan to update or track scans. Once done, name the campaign for future reference, and make sure to set tracking options now so analytics capture from the first scan. You pick the QR type that matches your asset, then move to design. Add logo, adjust color contrast, and preserve a quiet zone for readability. While customizing, export as SVG for print or PNG for digital. Select size in or pixels. Next, enable or confirm scan analytics and redirect settings so you can measure performance, because knowing who scanned is how you export the finalized QR in the chosen format and deploy it to your asset, print, poster, or social. Make sure placement preserves contrast, avoids folds, and includes at least a 2 cm margin for scanning. If something goes wrong, first test with multiple phones, then confirm the QR's quiet zone, color contrast, and that dynamic redirects are active. Finally, edit the dynamic destination if needed, and monitor analytics to verify the fixes worked.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.